Hi, I'm Colin Edmondson, the Wheat Technical Manager for Pacific Seeds. Now, I've been involved with breeding and selecting wheats in the Longreach program since its inception in 2002. So firstly, thanks for giving me some of your time to provide more details and really a seasonal update on Scout. Growers' uptake of Scout in the region has been broad and across a lot of districts, so it's a widely purchased and grown variety. In terms of yield, it's had a good fit and delivered on some of the yield expectations. In a range of seasons, we've really had quite a variation of seasons that Scout has been tested on by growers, no longer in the breeding program as a test line. But I suppose what's really changed is the quality grade, and that's been an important change in Scout. The AH upgrade has been a major achievement and changes where Scout fits in rotations for growers. Because let's face it, AH and Scout are a clear fit, with it being based on YITPI and having an SVS yellow leaf spot level as part of its package. It really did suit being the first wheat option in many areas, which growers really target as an AH wheat, and now those things go together. So let's talk about some of the key features of the variety disease profile. Now, what has it stood up to since it's been out in farm over the last 3 years? CCN-wise, every time we screen it, we find that we've got a really strong level, an R rating for CCN. It's got market-leading levels in regards to having a couple of genes for CCN which keep that very strong. So that's an important part of rotations. In regards to stem rust and leaf rust, it's coped very, very well with the field epidemics that we've seen in the last 3 years. Across much of South Australia and Victoria, we've had high levels of stem rust and leaf rust, which have put Scout and all the other varieties under pressure, and it stood up well to those. Stripe rust-wise, we've got a moderately susceptible level of adult plant resistance, which Scout has got in its package. Now, this is regarded as being useful by growers and advisors. And what I consider it as is a slow rusting gene rather than a no rusting gene. What it does, it gives you time to manage stripe rust. If the season is cranking up and we're getting more disease development, you've got time to manage it with fungicides and be preemptive. If the season's drying up and the epidemic is becoming less important, then the MS level is enough to manage that situation. So it's become a package which is useful to growers. Now, some feedback from growers. I think Scout's really regarded as a significant improved option based on now putting its yield package together with a better quality grade. The disease characters were fitting and growers are finding they could manage the weak points and emphasise its strong points across South Australia and Victoria. It's also available for trading between growers through Pacific Seeds' authorised trading scheme. So you can sell seed from one grower to another as long as we're informed of the transaction. So what that does is give you a mechanism to quickly increase plantings and respond to changes like the AH classification upgrade if it's important to you. Seed can also be sourced from the Seed Associate Network, so growers have a choice of purchasing Scout now that it is an established variety in lots of different ways. Thanks again for giving me your time, and I hope what we've discussed with Scout is relevant to you on the farm this season. Good luck with your crops. Thank you.